Hi, my name is Stephen Benzing, and I would like to talk to you about the importance of routine maintenance for your UPS equipment and what we at Nationwide Power can offer you as a service provider. A UPS is an uninterruptible power supply, a device used to condition electrical power for your critical equipment and to provide battery backup in the event of a power disruption for a period of time. UPSs come in many different shapes and sizes depending on the need, and can greatly vary in the challenges each UPS presents when servicing. But in general, all UPSs are made up of the same basic assemblies: a rectifier, inverter, some kind of charger for the batteries, and a static switch. And these assemblies are made up of many of the same types of parts from manufacturer to manufacturer. When doing routine preventative maintenance, our CPPs inspect and make recommendations on what parts may need to be replaced, especially what we call consumable parts. Batteries, fans, and capacitors are the main ones. These parts are called consumable because of the short life cycles these types of parts have. Over time, as these parts start to fail, the less reliable your UPS becomes, and the more potential for catastrophic failure. The aftermath of a catastrophic failure is never pretty. The damage to equipment, the building it occupies, and potentially the people nearby come at a high cost, a cost that's never worth the hardship proper maintenance can help to avoid. Not to mention time lost while power is down. According to an analysis done by Eaton, one of the big three UPS manufacturers, companies that receive the recommended 2 annual visits experience roughly 1/4 as many losses. Here at Nationwide Power, we service UPSs in accordance with manufacturer specifications and make recommendations that align with OEM guidelines. Though we follow these guidelines when making recommendations, we also make an effort to recommend options to extend the life of your equipment beyond the end-of-life date, to give customers more time before inevitably needing to buy new equipment. As long as proper preventative maintenance is performed, such as regular PM inspections, battery replacements, and cap and fan changeouts, the likelihood you will receive the full value from your UPS equipment increases significantly. Your critical infrastructure is important. It's there to support your needs as professionals in your field. Let us help you maintain your critical power equipment to ensure your power is always available, always on. Nationwide Power.